Hi, let's create some custom lists that can be used by all Excel users. By default, Excel already includes a few built-in lists, like months and weekdays. Excel also allows you to create your own custom lists. For example, you can add Roman numbers or any list you want, just like the one you're seeing on the screen. First, we'll create a custom list for Roman numbers up to 100. On Sheet 2, I've already written the numbers from 1 to 100 in Roman numeral format. Now we'll use this list and add it to Excel's Custom List feature. Let's insert it. Go to Excel Options by clicking the File tab, then choose Options from the Backstage view. This opens the Excel Options dialog box. From the menu on the left, click Advanced. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, locate the General section, and click the Edit Custom List button. The Custom Lists dialog box appears. The box on the left shows all existing custom lists. On the right, you can either type or paste a list directly into the List Entries box. If your list already exists in a worksheet, you can import it by selecting the cell range that contains the list. In our case, the Roman numbers list is already available on Sheet 2. We simply select the entire range and click the Import button. The list now appears in both the Custom Lists and List Entries boxes. Click OK to close the Custom List dialog box, and then click OK again to close the Excel Options dialog box. To use the custom list, type the first two entries from the list, select them, and drag the fill handle down. Excel now automatically fills the Roman numbers sequence in both uppercase and lowercase letters. You can add as many custom lists as you need from Excel Options. Custom lists are a great time saver when working with repeated or structured data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.